Tired of spending time and money on traffic that almost never converts? Unfortunately, getting enough traffic that actually turns into money in your pocket is where most people get stuck. Although many of the traffic methods you've seen before do technically work, you usually need a lot of traffic to make the kind of money you want to make. The good news is today, all of your traffic problems end forever. Hi, Aidan Corkery here, and I'm excited to share something with you that's going to finally make you the kind of money you want to make online. If you're like most people out there, struggling to get consistent results online, the big problem is traffic. You're either not getting enough traffic, or the traffic you're getting just isn't converting into money in your pocket. I've been there, and I know what it's like to spend countless hours trying to get traffic flowing or throwing money down the tubes trying to get traffic that converts. Then it happened. A few months back, I stumbled across a new way of getting traffic that made it easier than ever for me to make money online. And the traffic I was getting with this new method wasn't just any old traffic. I was getting buyer traffic, and as much as I wanted, with just a few minutes of simple work that anyone could do. If you're not familiar with buyer traffic, it's the best traffic you can get. In short, buyer traffic is just like it sounds. It's traffic that has a history of buying something. And getting someone to buy something again is much easier than trying to get someone to make a purchase first time. In fact, buyer traffic is superior to any other traffic you can get online, hands down. Buyer traffic converts into leads and sales with much less effort than other traffic methods. Conversion rates are many times higher with buyer traffic than any other traffic online. You can sell higher priced products or services with buyer traffic, and it only takes a small amount of buyer traffic to make you money. If you're struggling to make money online, just add some buyer traffic to the equation and you'll get the results you're looking for. Unfortunately, because buyer traffic is so valuable and converts many times higher than every other traffic method out there, it's usually extremely expensive. But never fear, I've discovered a never before seen method for getting all the buyer traffic I want for free. This method is brand new and you've never seen it before. It's 100% newbie friendly and doesn't require any special skills or experience. You can do this without an email list, a website, or a product of your own. In fact, you only need one thing to start getting free buyer traffic that you can easily turn into money in your pocket. And that one thing is something you probably already have. But if for some slim chance you don't already have this one thing, it won't cost you a dime to get it today and use it to start making money quickly. This method has no risk of saturation and is completely evergreen. To make it easy for anyone to get free buyer traffic and turn it into daily paydays of $200 or more, I've created the ultimately step-by-step course that shows you how to do this starting right now. It's called Instant Buyer Traffic, and inside you'll get everything you need to get going with this brand new method and start making money right away. Inside you get access to the step-by-step video training that takes you by the hand and shows you exactly how to go from $0 to $300 plus with the power of free buyer traffic. You'll discover exactly how to get everything set up in less than 1 hour, even if you're a total newbie. I'll show you the one thing that makes this whole thing work, and remember, you probably already have it and it's free. And you'll get the exact steps to getting free buyer traffic flowing right away. This is something that has never been revealed before and will eliminate your traffic problems forever. I'll then show you how to take that traffic and easily turn it into $150 per day, even if you're a total newbie and don't have a product of your own. In addition to the easy to follow video training, you'll also get access to my instant buyer traffic quick start cheat sheet. And you'll get my real life case study where I show you exactly how I was able to go from $0 to $200 per day with 100% free buyer traffic, so you can follow along and do the same. Plus, as a very special perk for getting going right now, I'm also including my Scaling to 6 Figures video course that shows you how to quickly go from $997 per day to a very solid 6-figure income without working any harder. Although this training was designed as an add-on to the instant buyer traffic training, course and I valued at $97, I want to make sure that you get everything you need to make as much money as possible. And that's why you'll get this money-making add-on at no additional cost. Imagine spending just minutes per day to get free buyer traffic like this, and then turning that free buyer traffic into paydays of $199 a day and day after day. Although instant buyer traffic gives you everything you need to get results like this right away, the best part about getting this newbie-friendly, step-by-step training right now is the discounted price. Because you get a complete A to Z course that shows you something you've never seen before and that will make you money, I initially planned to release this never-before-seen method for no less than $497 and only open up a few spots. Even at $497, it wouldn't take long for you to make your money and make then some. But because there are so many people out there that are struggling to get traffic and make money, I decided to make this affordable for anyone during this initial launch period. For a limited time, you can get instant buyer traffic for a low, one-time investment when you click the button below now. But please don't leave this page without getting this. The price is going up fast, and the price you're looking at now is the lowest you will ever see for this complete money-making system. If you leave this page and come back later, you will pay more for this. Because I truly want to make this something you can't pass up, in addition to the Scaling to Six Figures training course I'm giving you for free, you'll also get 3 additional bonuses valued at over $1,000 at no cost when you click the button below now. I know this method will change everything for you and finally give you the results you're after. I'm going to take away any risk by giving you a 30-day money-back guarantee on the instant buyer traffic to try on my dime. If you don't get results like I say, or you decide that this isn't for you for any reason, all you have to do is let me know and I'll give you a prompt refund with no questions asked. There's only one way to lose, and that's by closing this page without getting instant buyer traffic right now. If you want to stop struggling to make the kind of money you want to make online, you're tired of working hard with little or nothing to show for it, you're ready to stop buying courses that promise the world but never deliver and finally get your hands on something that works, and you like the idea of getting all the free buyer traffic you want and turning it into daily paydays of $199 or more, then you need to click the button below now and get your hands on instant buyer traffic at a big discount.